Good morning all. Welcome to the Samburu LaBricole channel, the automotive tutorial channel. I'll tell you right away, I'm not a professional auto mechanic or technician. But I'm curious to understand how things are designed and how they work. I also really like beautiful cars. So I learn on the job to do small interventions, repairs or improvements which are often very expensive if done by a professional. The tutorials offered here are, for the moment, more dedicated to the Audi brand but may for some apply to other brands. I take the time to understand what to do, how to do it. I do a lot of documentation, then I start with patience and diligence. The goal is not to then have to take the car to a professional to pay even more, but to do a clean and sustainable job with real savings. Sometimes I am faced with a difficulty, so I take the time to find the solution. This is all that I share with you, to save you time and move your project forward. So I try to give as much detail and explanation as possible. Some of you will find that I sometimes explain obvious things. This is normal. I put myself in the shoes of those who do not know much about it. If you want to add more info, don't hesitate. Leave your comments just below. To be notified of new upcoming tutorials, do you know? You subscribe to the channel by clicking at the bottom right, then you click on the bell. The Samburu LaBricole chain is a very small chain which does not perceive any profit, neither financial nor material. I have no interest in any products that can be cited. So please encourage me to continue the adventure by keeping the channel alive, with your blue thumbs, comments, subscriptions and other shares. Okay, that's not all, but I have some video editing to do for the next tutorial, so I'll see you soon. Ciao.